Alright, everyone, welcome back to Vic Slots. We are at the Palms today, using a little bit of free play. We're $5 into our $10 free play. Play Moon Race, and we did just get the free spins on the Holden spin, so let's get the bonus started. See if we could fill it up. There are all your progressives up there. Come on, balls, fill it up. Let's see if we could drop one big one. I'll take one at a time. Just keep giving us more spins. There you go. 3 more to go for $10,000. Come on, hit it on this one. Not a bad hold and spin. We do have a $10 moon up there on top. Alright, it's winning. Making money on free play, $18.50. Little coin show. Alright, we'll take a few backup spins. We have, let's see, we'll have to take 9 more spins to use our free play. I got $4 left. Come on, Moon Race, give me a bonus. And put $1 in to activate the free play. We're at $23, so there you go. Decent little spin, another $3. $2.50 left in free play. Come on, Moons, do it again. Alright, 3 more spins. Come on, Moon Race. Alright, 2 more spins. Alright, last free play spin. Alright, that'll do it. Free play's done. We're up $25.62. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back. Alright, everyone, welcome to Vic Slots. We are here today at the Silverton, and we decided to play a little bit of Lightning Link, Tiki Fire, and just got the free spins, so let's get the bonus started. Maybe we'll get a really big bonus, get to play a little bit today. Come on, Tikis. There you go. It's a really good spin. Bunch of 2 times multipliers in there. Alright, $14.60. Not bad for a 50-cent bet. Now, if we had that lady with 4 tikis, that'd be amazing. Alright, one more game. Alright, not a bad little spin. Alright, $23.78. I'll take a few live backup spins. See if we get one Holden spin or another set of free games. And there we go. Progressives up there. That would have been really sweet. Come on, Tiki. Do it one time. Thought it was coming again. I'll play it down to $20. If we don't get a Holden spin or another free game, we'll take a break for now. Come on, one more. Yes. There it is. Free game number 2. Let's see if we can make this one a little better than the last one. That'd be really sweet. Drop a Holden spin with that major in there. Or a retrigger. Come on, don't be a dud. Hit something big. Come on. It looks like it's a little something. Alright, $6.70. Spin number 5. One more. Yes. Retrigger. Alright, we'll take it. Those free spins weren't really doing very good, so I'm glad to get 6 more. Alright, come on. Let's hit it big now. Go, Tiki. Come on, I want 4 reels of those tikis. Come on. Game 10. We got 2 more spins. Come on. One big one right here. Alright, well, that's pretty bad bonus for 12 free spins, $9, but we did get up to 30, so We'll take, now we'll play it down to 25. See if we could get one more bonus. I really want to get one hold and spin on this game, but come on. Alright, it's got 3 more spins. Alright, last spin. Come on. Alright, guys, that'll do it on VicT Slots, Lightning Link Tiki Fire, and we'll be back soon. Guys, welcome back to VicT Slots from the Silverton. We are playing a little bit of Tiki Fire Lightning Link. There's your progressives. Maxed out major at 1,000. We're on a 5-cent denom, so your minor and mini are 250 and 50. Just got the hold and spin, so let's see if we get some big balls here. Come on, drop that minor. Oh, there goes the thunder. Come on, drop a minor for it. Oh, come on, something bigger than 25 and 50. Come on, even a nickel denom. Drop something good. Drop that $1,000 major right here. Or just drop 3 more and give me that $11,479. Come on. Ah, mini just went by. Come on, Thunder, hit it now. Ah, it's saved by the Thunder. Come on. Drop a minor. Just minor or major up in there. Ah, last spin. Saved by the Thunder again. Come on, do it. Ah, saved by the Thunder again. Come on, while that Thunder's going off, hit that $11,000. Come on, baby. Just drop one in there. Top it off with a major right there. Come on. Empty, but that last spin, sometimes it just hits. Do it. That's still a decent hold and spin. $30. Would have been so nice to get that one time. All right. Take a few live backup spins, see if we get one more bonus. Come on, do it again. Come on, Tiki.
Yep. Thank you.
Where was that ball in the last spin? Come on, give me one bonus. One bonus. Come on, 2 more. Oh, man, look at that with the mini. Would have been $50. Come on, one more. Really want to hit that volcano bonus. All you hear is bonuses going off around here. Come on, where's the bonuses for me and Ryan? Some birds. Is that? Come on, 2 more. Screw it. Come on, we need to win at least 5 cents. Come on. All right, there's enough. That'll get us back to 2070. Go back to our 1 cent. We put an extra 20 in, so we'll take 1 50-cent bet. I didn't mean to do that. All right, guys, that'll do it for Tiki Fire Lightning Lane.